Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, we have a new phone case from Supcase. It is the Unicorn Beetle Royal. It is for the iPhone 2020 6.1, and we're going to tell you all about it.
Stay tuned.
Hey, thanks a lot for joining our show here. Right away, Lucas, I got a joke for you before we do the unboxing of this cool Unicorn Beetle Royal for our iPhone. All right, how did the phone ask the lady to marry him?
Because they give her a ring.
That's It gave her a ring. All right. One last one. What do you call a clam that uses a phone?
A clam phone?
A shell phone. All right, let's do the unboxing of this cool case. And look at that. This is pretty classy. Let's see if they can get a shot of that on the camera there. This is nice. Beautiful, isn't it? So let's go ahead and take the cover off of here. The cat's kind of interested in seeing that. And I will get the phone here. All right, while Lucas is taking this apart and ready to put in the phone, I just wanted to tell you that Supcase is one of the best companies that you can get for your phone or your iPad. They really protect it. I've been using these cases for years. And look at this. This one even comes with a screen protector already built in right there. So we're going to go ahead and put in our iPhone, just like that. Snaps in. Bada boom, bada bing. So easy. Oh, that is neat. So now let's go ahead and put this part in. Slides in there. Easy cheesy. I really like how this phone case protects the phone. Here it has a raised bevel edge to protect the camera part of the phone right here. And then when I turn it over, it also has another raised bevel edge here to protect the screen. You can see all around that it is very well protecting all the ports. And here is the buttons. And the buttons are very easy to click.
Push?
Yeah, easy to push. And it also comes with a wrist strap. So Lucas will demonstrate the wrist strap there.
It's easy when you put it down here. It doesn't scratch it, and it's easy to lift up.
Hey, these Supcases really protect your phone really well. I like the raised bevel edges that you have so that when you put the phone on here, it's not going to scratch your screen or your camera. I've been using these Supcase cases for years on my phone. I highly recommend it. Check out my channel. I'll have a lot of reviews on different types of cases, and I'll have a link down below where you can find it
Daddy?
on Amazon. Yes, Lucas.
I have a joke for you.
All right, tell me what's the joke.
What was the first person to go out in space?
What was the first person to go out in space? A dog. I love kid jokes. All right. Hey, I hope you're having a good day out there. And make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. All right. Talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.